In this video, I will explain what to do if your main YouTube channel gets terminated or removed with a mess like this. When this happens, you lose access to all the brand channels linked to the same email ID. That means your main channel and all the associated brand channels become unavailable. But don't worry, here is the solution. Go to this link. Here you will see all brand accounts created using your email ID. Select the brand channel you want to recover. Now click on Manage Permissions. If you are still listed as the primary owner, you can add a new user. Click the profile icon and choose Invite New User. Enter the new email ID you want to use to recover the channel. In the Role section, choose Owner, then click Invite. Now go to the new email box you entered. You will receive an invitation mail from Google. Go into that mail. Open the mail and click Accept Invitation. Once accepted, that email will now have full access to the brand channel. Now go to the YouTube, refresh the page, and you will see that the brand channel is now showing up again under the new email ID. You can now fully manage and access the channel from the new ID.